What is going on, people? I just want to quickly demo the brand new ChatGPT 4.5. I'm super excited. That's why I couldn't wait for the 4.5 to come out today. It literally just appeared on my ChatGPT. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys, okay, the way to write blog posts. So basically, this is my prompt, okay? I'm not going to read the whole thing as in the different videos asked to give me a 30-day plan for the blog post. I could rank my organic skincare site, which is right in here. So I've been posting blog posts, and you could see I've been testing, and you could see that it's ranking really, really well right here. It's look, I even took off a lot of the keywords not to make it super long, a tail keyword, and it's first page of Google. Okay, only few days inside the post, and it's already ranking very, very highly. Look, I'm not signed in, just to show you. Okay, so let's go back to the post. So basically, this is the prompt. I'm not going to read the whole thing. You could pause the video and read it. So then 4.5 came back to me. I used the deep search right in here. Okay, and it asks me what I want to concentrate on the creams and serums. I said both. You'll see what I replied. And I want to be persuasive. Okay, and is there any citations or references gradually? So it basically wants to make a better post. Okay, so this is what I replied. Find the latest trends and serums and creams on Instagram, on TikTok. Okay, be persuasive. Number 3, reference generally call to action. Any links that has to do with organic skincare products. Okay, great. I will start the research. This took about 30 minutes. Okay, and this is the blog post. I'm not gonna post it now. I want this video to be quicker. Also, I want you to take a look what it scraped on the right hand side. Okay, again, I'm not going to read it. We'll go all the way up. Okay, so this is what it was scraping. Okay, just imagine how much time this would take if you would have to go side by side. By the way, this is a paid Exploding Topics. I believe this is a paid service, and it still was able to scrape it. Okay. Look how much citations it went through, scraping so many sites, doing its, I guess, research. Just this is hours and hours of work. Okay, putting it all together in 30 minutes. I'm talking about maybe even weeks it will take somebody to go through this. I'm gonna speed it up. It went through TikTok. It went through. Obviously, I asked the organic skincare to pick the best products that will suit for anti-aging. Okay, also ingredients. It went through the Vogue magazine. This is so cool. Very, very cool. Again, you could pause it at any moment, and you could go to the website. I'm not going to do it here because I want to speed up this video. But I never even heard of it. I guess it found it. It's ranking very well. Okay, so this is all the research that it did. Okay, and this is what it came up with. I guess it's going to be about 2,000 words. Okay, that's going to be the title that we're going to rank for. Oh, okay, that's a nice title. Actually, in 0.3, the latest version, it never changed the title. This one, actually, I just noticed it was able to change up the title. Okay, because I did not ask for Instagram or TikTok. It did enter. Look, it did update the whole title. Look at the title here that I asked for. Okay, age gracefully with anti-aging ingredients that really work, and it just completely updated the title for SEO purposes. Look at that. This is so cool. This is really, really cool. I guess I'm gonna have to add maybe I'm gonna add 2025. This was really gonna rank me. Okay, and this is the whole blog post. And what I do with the blog post, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to rank it even better, besides just the wordings. I'm going to show you how to do the graphs, how I did the graphs Okay. Again, I'm speeding it up for you guys. This is so cool. This is so much better than the '03 model. I'll be honest. This looks clean. I'm just also scheming it just like you guys. This is the first time I'm reading this. I couldn't wait to get this. Oh, look at that. The road conclusion and everything. Okay, it came up with its own conclusion. How this is going to be incredible. This is cool. Let me just show you very quickly the '03 blog post. Let me just click on that. This image made by Flox AI image. Okay, that's how I was able to generate this image. I'm not going to do it here. I'm just going to copy and paste. This was generated by Napkin AI. So basically you could post a text right in here and it comes up with generating a whole new infographics for you very, very quickly. Very, very cool. This is Napkin AI. Okay, so you could just go blog post little snippets and then just create little infographics. That's how I have it here. You see, we're talking about vitamin C, and then it has the infographics of vitamin C. Look how cool this is. Clean, beautiful, easy to read blog post. Okay, and you could do a video. Obviously, we're not going to do any of this. But all these images, this is Flox, and the rest is ChatGPT 03 model, and this is Napkin AI. Hopefully this helps. Guys, I'm going to put my email if you guys want to reach out, if you guys need any content. I hardly ever promote myself on these videos. Also, if you want to check out my website, ilift.com. Okay, I work with local businesses. Okay, doing marketing for them with landing pages, websites. So this is ilift.com. Okay, you could just, if you guys need a website or any kind of content, looking forward to talking with you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye-bye.